Hello everyone, this is the second video of the second project. So now I want when I select something here, it's the price will be changed here. So total cost, for example, game one or game two. So the way we doing that, I double click in this drop box and I say if combo box dot selected item equal dot game one, then the total cost, which is the label, will be 7.8. This is the label here, the label called total cost here. So if I go to here, total cost, LBL total cost. So this one, sorry, this one total cost, LBL cost. So the LBL cost dot text will be dollar sign. Then the total cost 7.8. I'm gonna convert it to be to string because any label or any controls deal with all those as a text. Same things here. I'm gonna do it in but if not game one will be game two. If not game two will be game three, and so on. So I want to add here just a dollar sign and add here dollar sign. Okay. So now let me run the code and see how it's work. Okay. So I'm gonna create game one, $7.8, game two, 5.5, game three, 8.5, for example. This is the price for the game rent per day. Now, second things, this is for 1 day, number 1 day, so the default 1 day renting. So if the days up, it should be this price go up, okay? So that's why I want to go here, double click here. So if days less than 0, day plus 1, so we need to go with the total cost. So the total cost here 8.5. So for example, I put this total cost here 0 now, but it will be changed. So I'm gonna go to this one. Day will be if the day so, and the total cost will equal total cost, for example, times or plus. For example, every day will be increasing, will be $2 more. Okay, so 2. Okay. Now, also, after we do that, we need to go to the update this one label, which is label cost, LPL cost. So I'm gonna do LPL cost dot to string dot text actually will equal total cost. So I'm gonna do actually dollar sign here plus total cost dot to string. That's to string. Okay, so whenever we're increasing the renting, the price should be update. So I'm gonna go this one, game one, and so the numbers will be changing here, as we're increasing. Now we need to do the same things, the opposite. So if you go to this one, okay, so the way we're doing that also, I'm gonna go this one. Okay, double click here. So will be actually I'm gonna I have this one total cost will, for example, decreasing $2. So and the total cost will be decreasing $2, and also LBL cost will be updated the price. Okay, so updated the price. So let me run this one, and again, so I will pick the game number one. So if I go up, the price increasing. If you go down, the price. Oh, I make mistake here. One sec. Should be minus. So make sure it's that down, not plus minus. Decreasing. The price will be decreasing. Let me double again here. So if I go game one here, plus the price increasing or down. Yep. Okay. So also I have another problem. There is many fractions after the point. We can limit that. So this is the technique. So this list things here. Okay. Okay, go up, but go down. This is like a many fractions. We're gonna solve it right now. Okay. To solve this problem so we're gonna go in the part to string. I do like this. Then I do like I need a 2 0 before and 2 0 after dot. Okay. So let us test it. So I'm gonna go with the game one, add numbers, then remove numbers. See, we solved it, okay? So we put this code in both in the up and down, okay? And up and down. So make sure the our format will be fine, okay? So this is the total cost, everything. I'm gonna take care of this one. It's maybe clear or submit. Maybe I'm gonna take care. Now the second thing, shipping. So the shipping, we're gonna work with the radius button, okay? So we have maybe three kind of shipping. So before we go to the talk about radius buttons, um, um, I have to add something else. I'm gonna do something called group packs. So group packs because um, let me show you radius button first. So if I do radius button here, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so I have a radius button 1, 2, and 3. For example, standard shipping, express, overnight shipping. Okay, so this is fine, but makes sense if we do like a group box. So group box meaning if I click this one here, let me do this one here, and I put them inside. So those will be three operation related. Those three. So group box is make it like a kind of control, uh, make this our code organized and stuff like that. Okay. So I have a three kind of shipping here. So first of all, I'm gonna click in this one. I'm gonna name it group box one, and the name will be, for example, shipping. So now I have a shipping here. Shipping, actually, 1 second. Shipping group box. G group box. This is the name of my this one. However, the text I want to show here called maybe shipping. So the text that which appear shipping. Okay. Now we have maybe standard shipping, standard. I click on the second one we call maybe priority. And the thing also we're gonna change also ready button. We can call priority or ready button or RD priority. And this one too, the name would be RD ready button RB standard. Just to make sure my name is correct, ready button RB. Let me do RB, okay? Priority. And the third one will be RB overnight. And the text will appear overnight. So based on everyone, the cost also be changed. Our cost will be changed, okay? So the way we can do that, okay, just to make sure everything organized. So if we double click in this radio buttons, we put this. So if I call this radio button RP standard, if RP standard dot checked, total cost will be equal total cost plus $5 for 5.5, and we can also updating the price. So as you can see here. So I click here. Now if I pick the game one, my game 11, so what kind of shipping I want, I change the 3 days rent. So if I click here, it is adding 5.5 to 17.3, but still this doesn't have nothing. So the ready buttons you allow you only one thing is checked. Okay, so I'm gonna go, I copy this one, then I'm gonna click in the priority here. I put the same things, but the priority will be actually PR priority, I think it called BR priority. Let me double check the name. I forgot the name. Right click here. Go find the name. I call just a priority. Let me do BR. No, sorry, that's not the name. The name RP. RP, not BR. Sorry. RB. Sometimes do it. Radio button. RB priority. Here we go. Dot checked. Okay, do this one. But the price will be maybe 6.5. And the third one, which is be overnight, maybe more expensive, this one. So I'm gonna copy this one, will be RB overnight, maybe overnight, overnight checked. So for example, it will be maybe 8.5 or 8.5, okay? So now we go click here, so we check the games, number of days, standard 7, priority 23, overnight 32, okay? Oh, I have something here. See, if I keep picking, the price will be changed. So this no make sense. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here. So we need to fix that. So we need fix that. So how I gonna fix that? I'm gonna do something like that. Okay. So we need fix that. All right, so I'm gonna give total cost like this. I'm gonna do total cost with shipping. I have another number double. I'm gonna do double. Oops. Total cost with shipping. Okay, equals 0. With shipping will be equal 0.0. Okay. Now so if you pick this one, so RB standard, so total or shipping cost. Let me do the 7. Okay, let me do also something called shipping cost. Shipping cost double. Shipping cost will be equal 0.0, you know. So shipping cost. So I'm gonna come here. So will be my shipping cost in this case would be equal 5.5. Okay, 5.5. So total cost now shipping cost. Okay, total cost or total shipping cost total cost with shipping, like this one, copy. I'm gonna put it here for temporary. All right, so now I have to do this one. Total shipping cost will be total cost equal 5.5. Okay, so now if APR standard checked, I'm gonna do and total shipping cost 0 now. Total shipping cost equal 0. Do this one. Okay, so let me do this one out now. So if this RB standard and total shipping cost equal 0, total shipping cost will be total cost plus 55, and then we have to update this one like this, and then also total cost will equal total shipping cost. Okay. All right. Now the last things here. I make this one. Else total shipping cost equal to 0.0, and then I don't need this one actually, and what I'm gonna do this one. Let me double check now. See. So I'm gonna go the game one, double days, standard, priority, standard. All right, I think it's work, but I want to apply everywhere. So the same things here. I'm gonna do total shipping costs. It's the same things here. The shipping cost here. Shipping cost will be equal 6.5. And I'm doing 1 second. I'm gonna explain what I'm doing. Then and I have and meaning these two conditions should be true. This one true and this one true to perform this if condition. So let's just see. No, I have an error. What's the error? Where's the error? View error list. Okay, this is will be this. Okay. So I pick a game one, double days, standard 17, priority 18, standard should be 17 again. Yep, okay, priority 18. So standard 17, priority 18. But we're gonna apply also and overnight. We're gonna apply. So what I'm doing here, so I did the other variable. So total shipping costs will be have a value here. So if the total if the first time coming with no calculation for shipping costs will be the shipping cost 0. So now here total shipping cost will be the total cost plus shipping cost with 6.5, and put this data in the labels. But if you come back again, if you do this, come back here and come back here again, you need a standard. You need a re-zero. You need to reset the total cost. So you need a, because otherwise it can be increment accumulative, you know. So that's what we did so far. I'm gonna apply the same things here. So we cover Control Z actually. So let me copy this guys here. Actually, I'm gonna copy all of those. Control C. I'm gonna copy this one here. I'm gonna adjust my code. So we call this 8.5. And if overnight here checked, and take this out. shipping costs. So let us see now. Should all the three work now? Game 13 standard, priority overnight, standard 19, etc. And decrease this one would be go down, standard. Okay, perfect. All right. So that's all. Thank you so much. Have a good day. This is our second project. Thank you.